And welcome back to a new video. So today we've had a bit of a trip away and we've come away from Blackpool all the way to Torquay in Devon. And I used to live here years and years ago. So I moved from Blackpool to Torquay and back to Blackpool, and it's completely changed. So come and have a bit of a trip around Torquay with me. So first of all, we're going to hit St Mary Church. I'll put a link in the description all about St Mary Church, and yeah, let's go and have a bit of a look. So welcome to St Mary Church in Torquay, and I haven't been up here for years, so there's plenty of little tiny shops. It's totally different to Blackpool, and they've got all sorts. There's little bakeries, little hardware, and also I'm going to leave the camera rolling for a bit so you can take all the views in. You see, there's all sorts of little shops, all cafe areas, and there's a wonderful church up here as well, St Mary Church, which we'll head towards. This little second-hand shop, Rowcroft it's called, and that's been there for ever since I can remember. And look at this one. It's like a little bookstore, and you can see that the building, absolutely fantastic. And just have a bit of a look there. You see little books at the top. Really, really picturesque, that one. So we just sort of popped towards the top of St Mary Church, and the building there, Devon Air Ambulance Trust, that used to be a pub. It used to be called the Snooty Fox, and now it belongs to the Devon Air Ambulance Trust. And this is such a lovely church. It's called St Mary Church, and it's right at the top of the little street, and it's an absolute fantastic place. And even Torquay have got one of these little old-fashioned sweet shops. You see all the little jars in the window of your favourite ones. And this is Foxhall Walk, and there's a couple of little shops as well through here, and it's such quaint, you know, there's slabs on the floor. It's actually amazing. You can see we've got little barbers, and a couple of little shops, whatever, they've closed down. Little sandwich bar. What a sweet little place. It just reminds you of sort of like old fishermen's cottages. I mean, just look at that stunning house. So we've now come to Bygones, and it's a Victorian experience, and it's absolutely fantastic. I went in there years and years ago, and everything, literally from the taste in your mouth to the smell, it brings you right back to the Victorian times. And they've got all sorts in there. They've got little Victorian shops, sweet shops, everything you can imagine from the Victorian times. They've got it behind those doors. So it's certainly worth a visit if you do come down. So we just popped into the shop right at the front, and you can just see all the old tins, and it's absolutely a fantastic experience. In fact, we might actually do that when we get a little bit more time. We might pop back and just show you the old cobblestones. Amazing. So then you got the fantastic brickwork. You got all these wonderful little shops you don't normally see, you know, unless you go to the Lake District and little countryside towns. So it's certainly different from Blackpool. All these, like I said, the stonework and just the sort of the layout completely. So yeah, what we're going to do, we're going to head a bit more towards Babbacombe. It's got some fantastic scenery views, so we'll head over there and have a quick look. So straight in front is a little garden. It's a fantastic little garden, and it's called Tessier Woods, if I'm not mistaken. Or no, sorry, apologies, Tessier Gardens. And this is sort of home to a lot of nature, squirrels and all sorts of things. I think they've got a little pond, and the gardens are absolutely magnificent with the blossoming with all sorts of colour and bloom. So we're going to have a little detour before we do go to Babbacombe and just have a look at these magnificent gardens. These are dotted about in this little park, and this used to be a little watering sort of like, you know, where you can get your water out, and they won't be working now, but you used to pull the handle. So I'll just show you. See, there's a handle just here, and you used to pump that just like that, and your water would have come straight out this chute. And these are dotted about this wonderful park in Torquay. Look at that. So I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Like I said, this is just scratching the surface of Torquay. There's so many wonderful buildings and places to go. So we're going to have a quick look at Babbacombe Downs and just show you the amazing sea views. So Blackpool's got amazing sea views, and also Torquay has, and they've also got a little railway carriage, so we'll visit that a bit later on in the week. But yeah, I just want to show you the views on the first day of hitting Torquay. So this is the Babbacombe Cliff Railway, and it's been in operation for years, and it's famous for taking the little like tram all the way down to the beach and all the way back up. So there's a very small charge, but the gradient is huge, and it's only for the fit people who can walk up and down. And yeah, so this is the Babbacombe Cliff Railway, and how amazing. So the prices have returned, so it's only £3.75, and what an experience. So we'll do this a bit later in the week. So Babbacombe Downs is fantastic for all ages and all people. It steeps in history as well. It's so iconic place. I mean, the first hotel was built, shall I say, in 1863, and that was the Royal Hotel, which is you know, is over 170 years old. And then there was a school built. Babbacombe School was opened in 1868, and then the All Saints Church in 1874, and it's obviously gone on through then. And it's an amazing tourist attraction. Like I said, the views, just look at the views now, absolutely stunning. You know, it sort of capes in the fantastic cliffs, the blue sea and the greenery. Absolutely amazing. So just up from Babbacombe Downs, and you can see all the amazing hotels. You've got the Babbacombe Hotel, you've got the verandas, and we've got the Royal, and amazing places, amazing food. And just imagine having your sort of Sunday dinner or a carvery and looking out to them views. So as if Barbican don't boast enough of fantastic attractions and scenery, they've even got their own theatre. So this is Barbican Theatre, and this has been here again for many years, many years. And like I said, it's another great attraction. It's only a very small one, but yeah, what a fantastic thing. So I'm gonna take you as close as possible to reality when we head up these few steps, and you'll just see what I'm on about with the views. I mean, if you live in Torquay, you're certainly very lucky. So you can see just a couple of steps, and I'll just pan the camera around to the left, and you can see the amazing beach. Those little carts will go all the way down. It will take you to that amazing spot, and then from there you can look out to sea. And, what a great place. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Like I said, it's the first day in Torquay today, and it's just a little bit of a taster of the amazing views and how the shops look in a different place than Blackpool. So yeah, like I said, we'll probably do that Victorian one. So that's an amazing experience, that. So we'll probably do that. Take a little carriage down. We're going to do a bit of a nightlife video in Torquay, and visit Brixton. So there's so much to do, and there's so many videos which will be uploaded. So yeah, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. If you do like this video, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.